Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we are doing another BoxyCharm video for September. I almost forgot what month it was. And I got this maybe a couple days ago, but of course I only film on Fridays, so it has to wait. I haven't even opened it. There's still plastic right there. And so we're going to open it up and see what's inside. I'm going to use one of my husband's knives. So we're going to open it up. It says, "Hello, Charmer." And first we get the piece of paper that says BoxyCharm All Access, and on the back is the information about the products and how much they cost and the name of the products. And what I like about BoxyCharm is they actually give you full-size products instead of Birchbox, which only gives you sample size, which that's why I quit doing Birch. Why is this open? Immediately as I pull this out, this is open. I'm just going to close that. Let's see, should I just go down the list? I think I should go down the list. So first thing is this Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette. Provides revamped essential shades and an equal number of breathtaking mattes and metallics so you can create the most fashion-forward neutral looks. The essential palette was designed for everyday use in a stunning mix of warm and cool toned shades for countless color combinations. Rethink essentials and effortlessly take your look from day to night. Achieve a soft glam or go bold with a pop of color. The choice is yours. $29. Now let's take a look inside. Oh, they have an orange. I hardly ever get oranges. You ever notice that? There's not that many oranges out there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that matte orange. There's a metallic green, gold, purple, and pink, and cream color, and we got a light orange, a dark orange, a cinnamon color, a black color, and a dusty rose matte color. They're all really pretty. I wonder how pigmented they are. Let's see. It seems pretty pigmented in the mirror. If it's not as pigmented on camera, I'm sorry. It's probably just light doing that. Let's look for a darker shade. Let's try the green. Let's see. Yeah, it looks pretty tinted, pigmented in the mirror. When I look at it, it's pretty pigmented, and I only did one slide, so it's not like I did multiple. So it's pretty, it's pretty. I like the names: Plumberry, Dusty Rose, Pink, Emerald, Sand. But anyway, yes, will I do a look on it? Probably. I always try to do looks from the boxes whenever possible. So I'm very excited about this. I love when I get new palettes. Although I have a lot of palettes. Don't get me wrong. Hopefully one day, if I ever have my own apartment or my own house, I'll be able to organize them nice and proper and make them look nice. Because some of them are just collectibles for me. Like, I really like the way they look, or they're by subscribers, or they're by YouTubers I really love and appreciate. So I would like to display them. The one that was open. This one right here, you can't really see it very well. Hopefully you can when I'm editing. Because sometimes I notice that it looks really nice when I'm editing, but not so nice when I'm filming. Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Ooh. A hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. $52. So this is $52, and I only paid $20 for this entire box. So this is already over the price of the box as it is. So, recovery sleeping mask. I'm excited about this because I need more things to help take care of my skin. I very much forget about taking care of my skin. I am at the age where I should really be focusing on it. But I tend to forget, or I don't have the money to purchase the items for it. So I love when I get stuff like this in boxes because I can try them out and take care of myself like I'm supposed to. Like, I'm sure many of you guys who follow me are like, hey, do a night routine. I don't really have a night routine because I forget to take care of myself. It's not meant to do that. If you hear noises in the background, it's just my rabbit chewing on his log. He does that to take care of his teeth. Moda 5-piece brush kit. Moda Pro takes Moda to the next level. This line features superior quality implements in modern professional shapes. Use this kit to create endless on-trend eye looks. $27.95. So they have a shade a shade brush, a crease brush, a detail brush, a smudge brush, and a line brush. And they tell you a little bit about each brush, what you need to do to use them. Luckily, I already know how to use them. But I like reading them anyways, because sometimes they give you little tidbits, like, do it this way instead of this way. And you're like, oh, okay. And you do it that way, and you're like, whoa, that's a whole different look. My problem with angle brushes, though, is I like the angle brushes that are super thin. And I never find them unless if they're Anastasia Beverly Hills ones. So this one isn't super thin, but it's super soft. So is this. This is super soft too. So they're soft. They have like little, I don't know if you can see it, little ridges right here. Probably makes it easier to hold onto, and it probably is for decor as well. It also says on the brush what it is. It just says crease brush. So that's super helpful, and it looks like it comes in like how you get your not makeup brushes, your artist brushes. They were sealed completely. They come in really thick plastic material, and they had the little description, because I like that because I'm not an artist, but I would like to get into art more often. You know, you probably can't see it. Hank and Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner. Introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long-wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those who with hooded eyes. $20. I always need more eyeliner. I'm just very careful with eyeliner because I suck at applying eyeliner. I just suck at it. No matter how many times I've done it, I just always mess it up. I've done it for a long time now, and I just still can't get it. It just bothers the crap out of me. $1 Billion Brow, the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. This brow pen mimics the look of actual brow hairs to get a great microblade effect without the edge. It can be used to define a very bold brow or creates natural looking brow hairs for a more suitable look. This long-lasting formula will last for an all-day look. $18. This I'm really excited for. I only have, out of all of my makeup, 2 or 3 brow stuff. Because once I stick to a brow look, like what I have, I don't really like to venture too away from it because brows are very hard for me to do. So once I get it where I like to stay with that product and keep going with that product. Oh, I've seen these before. I don't know if where it looks like it's, here, let me see if I can pull you closer. Hi. That didn't help much, but yes, where it has like the 3 ridges. So, does that. I'm gonna have to try it tomorrow. Tomorrow is my other, let me just pull you guys back up. Tomorrow is my other makeup day where I put makeup on because I go to work and I always practice different looks so then on next Friday I can do that look. So, I might have to try it. See what I like about it. So, yeah. Definitely gonna have to. And that's all that's in this box. So yes, though you get like fewer items, you get full-size items, and the prices are wow compared to Birchbox where you only get sample sizes, etc. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be seeing you next month with one of these videos for next month. I just said that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more box openings, reviews, makeup, mental health videos, just keep watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe.